Little chainsaw trash rescue today. So we got us a Homelite zip. I really don't know anything about these saws. Looks complete. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a cover over that, but this one looks complete. I'm guessing the bar will be original. If you can't read that, it's 886168. But I think everything's there. Looks original. So there's this one. There's four saws here to show you. Here's another Homelite zip. I actually got. Here's the side. Homelite zip. That other one looked like it had been repainted. This one looks like it's still factory paint. Definitely has some sort of a part there missing up to the air filter. This serial number is bigger. 2054267. Wonder if this is newer. I see this one says Textron, Port Chester, New York. I don't remember seeing that on the other one. The bar's a little bit skinnier. There's the front. Let's see if we can get a shot of the cylinder. She moves. Looks pretty nasty though. Definitely some stuff missing there. I didn't look on that other one. These guys are heavy. See if we can get a shot of the cylinder in there. I would say that's a usable cylinder. Got compression. I bet you this one would run with a little work. Alright, that's saw two. Alright, so here's a Super XL. I think this is a newer Super XL, or a later year. I bet you this is a runner. The sawdust looks kind of fresh, if you know what I mean. I bet you this one will run. Numbers are gone. Nothing left of the numbers. Serial numbers and unit number and stuff. Not a lot of life left of the chain. And here's what I would consider my first McCulloch. I don't have any McCulloch saws, except, so this would be my first. It's a Pro Max 610. I looked it up, I think it's 60 cc's. I bet this one would run with very little work. Maybe a carb kit. Just looks clean in there. Yeah, look at that car. Definitely a saw that was taken care of for the most part. Let's see what's under the hood here. Curious to see what carburetor they're using. Marlboro. What is that? Is that the choke? Yeah. Nifty little choke setup. I wonder if I could just put fuel in this and start it. I got a feeling I could. Chain brake. That works. Appears to work. Take this off. Boy, that is smooth. Chain brake works. I'm sure that's a later production here. 80s, maybe 90s. I'm not sure how long McCulloch produced saws. There you go. 4 dumpster finds. Just this past week. The COVID thing has got everybody cleaning out their houses because they're bored. So there's a lot of saws coming in. And this is actually a recent acquire. This is a Super XL 925. So if you've seen my table before, there's what she looks like. It's getting cluttered. A couple of parts things down there. But I'm just pulling them out of the trash. That's all I'm doing. Fix them, unload them, keep some. But there you go. The recent trash finds. Here's these. I got several Super XLs, so that, I don't know, that one really doesn't excite me. I'm actually more excited about these Homelite zips. Never had one before. That one over there, I'll probably never get that running. It'll probably just get sold as is or something. This one, I think I'm gonna try to get it running. I don't like the fact that somebody repainted it. I don't know how you are, but I prefer original paint, regardless of how beat up it is. I just prefer it to be original. So this one might actually get, I don't know, I might make that my first restoration. We'll see. I'd like to know if that bar is original. It's definitely correct to the error, I believe. But I might make this my first actual restoration saw. All my other ones, I use them. So this one here, I'll probably never use it. I'll get it running, but it'll just sit around. So I might as well just go ahead and do a restoration on that. That one, I don't know. spare parts or unload it. We'll see. So there's the Super XL, a zip, another zip, and a McCulloch Pro Max 610. Let me see how much compressions it's got. Yeah. So it's got good compression. So there we go. Alrighty.